Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Anis Aina binti Omar and I am a student at University Technical Malaysia Melaka, UTM. Firstly, my supervisor are Dr. Hafizal, Madam Nur Rohanim and Dr. Asriana, with myself and my other teammate which is Nura Alfanisa. So today, I would like to present our project for PERISA 2021 entitled of Waste Cooking Oil Based Plasticizer Wcop. Before we proceed further, here I show a video on how the current issues of disposal of waste cooking oil into the drain has motivated us to conduct this study.
Saya rasa minyak ni dah kotor lah. Apa nak buat Tak mau recycle lah. Baik saya buang kat sinki.
Hence, the main objective for this study is to solve the current environmental issue by recycling the waste cooking oil in order to produce a beneficial product, which is waste cooking oil based plasticizer with beeswax and palm wax. This slide explains on the waste cooking oil based plasticizer WCOP making process, where it consists of 4 main steps, which are filtration of waste cooking oil, cleaning and odor treatment, coloring and crystallization process. At coloring process, an oil based crayon were used to add some color to it. At the last step, where the crystallization process, 2 different hardeners were added, which are beeswax and palm wax. Further details in the waste cooking oil based plasticizer making will be illustrated in the next video. Next, our novelty for these products are firstly, low-cost material, as the feedstock is waste cooking oil, which is known as a cheaper ingredient. The next one is the feedstock is renewable, as it is abundantly available and environmentally friendly and safe. Lastly, our product is a non-petroleum base, indicates that it is a non-toxic and organic. Proceed with the next one, which is Technology Readiness Level TRL. This TRL measured how much development of a certain products before being utilized. Our products were at stage 4, which is small scale prototype. So here are some great collaboration which can be made with these 3 organizations, which are firstly Perbadanan Teknologi Hijau Melaka, and then Majlis Amanah Rakyat MARA, and lastly Jabatan Kemajuan Orang Asli JAKWA. Continue with the next slide, where this slide shows our patent and commercialization, the intellectual property for our product. This is the trademark and copyright for our product. Lastly, some achievements for this project are also included, such as Sinar Harian, a silver award at ITEX competition in 2020, also a silver award for UTMX in 2019, and the last one, silver in Anugerah Hijau by PTHM in 2019.